This one's for the workers who toil night and day, by hand or by brain, to earn your pay, who for centuries long past, for no more than your bread, have bled for your countries and counted your dead. In the factories and mills, in the shipyards and mines, we've often been told to keep up with times, for our skills are not needed. They've streamlined the job, and with slide rule and stopwatch, our pride they have robbed. We're the first ones to starve, we're the first ones to die, we're the first ones in line for that pie in the sky.